Hello, this is Joydeep Das. I am a first year BTech student at IIT Kharagpur. So today I am going to assemble and disassemble a digital clock. You can see this digital clock is working fine. It's powered by a battery. Now we are going to open the digital clock with the help of a screwdriver. Now we see that we have successfully opened the digital clock. I'm going to explain each and every part of it. This green part is the main component of our clock. This is the main circuit which the clock operates on. These black buttons are used for changing the date and the time of our clock. So you can see that whenever we press it slightly, it produces a sound. Some wires are also being welded with the circuit. The gray wire is being welded with the circuit and its other end is connected to this magnet. This magnet is actually the buzzer which produces sound whenever we change the settings or the alarm is being set. The red wire is being connected to the power source. These buttons are also used for changing the settings. This gray part is when connected with this part of our circuit. The circuit enables us to change the date and time. Now let's open this part, which is the LCD of our circuit in which the time is displayed. Now we see that we successfully opened the LCD. So this is our LCD. Here we get a display of the time we set. Now let us try to assemble everything. We just disassemble and see if the clock works again or not. Now we see that after assembling everything again, we see that the clock works fine. Thank you.